Sumi and I'm half Thai, half British. I'm an English teacher at the Coach Education and I specialize in IELTS. I would like to introduce you to our IELTS reading and writing workshop, which will help polish your skills. A lot of students have complained to me how hard the reading and writing sections are, and I'm here to make it easier for you. In the writing part, I will help you with the problem solution, discussion, and opinion essay question types based on 3 topics: space exploration, food production, and environmental concerns. The problem with writing is that if you do not have any ideas and enough topic-related vocabulary, then you would not be able to express yourself correctly in written form. So we will build brainstorming skills together, and I will also give you topic-related vocabulary based on these 3 topics. As for reading, we will cover the difficult question types such as matching and summary. The easy question types I'm not worried about. I know you guys can do it. But when it comes to paraphrasing, a lot of you cannot find the answers because they changed the wording. And because of this, I will help you to look for paraphrases and synonyms quickly and correctly. You just have to adjust your mindset a little bit. So if you're interested to find out what to do to improve your scores or polish your skills, please join our workshop and I'll be there to help you throughout the whole process. See you there!